Welcome, we're the science family.
The science family, we are the science family. Observation and demonstration, the science family. The science family, we are the science family. Observation and demonstration, the science family.
Greetings, science family.
Okay, so today we're going to be making a cloud in a jar. So Drake, what's the first step?
Step 1, pour 1 cup of hot boiling water into a glass jar. Helpful to use food coloring to dye the water blue before pouring in the jar.
Or any color you want. So we're going to go with green. So I added 3 drops of green.
Before pouring it into the jar. This is not required, but does help distinguish the cloud from the water. Plus, it makes the water look like the sky.
Okay.
It's kind of looking like the sky.
So what's the next step?
Ice.
No, let's see what the next step is.
Hair stuff.
Okay, no. I don't think it is. Wait. Is that it?
No. Okay. So step 2 is
Quickly spray hairspray in the jar.
Karima
was right.
So hold your breath. Don't smell it. Next step.
It smells good.
What's the next step?
Step 3. Immediate put the lid onto the jar. Helpful tip. This step must be performed quickly, so have the lid handle it. It also helps to have multiple people doing the experiment. One to spray the hairspray, and one put on the lid. One to put on the lid.
Okay,
So
so let's spray it again. Yes,
Yeah.
and let's put the jar lid on quickly. But spray a good bit. You can spray more. Good job.
That was a close one.
So
Okay.
what's step 4?
Step 4. Place 3 out of 5 pieces of the ice on top of the lid of the jar.
1. This is actually 2, so 3. Oh, so just 3.
I can't see because this ad is blocking the way.
Ooh, it's melting. So what is supposed to be next?
How's it melting?
Yeah, it's melting because it's hot inside. So what's the next step?
Ooh!
Yes.
Ooh! Step 5. Now it's time to observe what happened. Watch the top.
Then why does it look
I see some steam kind of coming. I see some stuff coming out of the ice.
What does that say, Mama?
What?
Portion.
Portion. T-I-O.
Oh my God! Portion the jar carefully and write down what happens as time passes. You will see a cloud begin to form.
Okay, so you should see a cloud forming in the jar. Do y'all see a cloud forming?
Yes, look at this. Look at it there.
I don't see it.
It's the white
It's the
on the
steam.
top.
It's the steam. The
I
white
see
one.
it.
See the white lining around the green?
I see it.
So instead of cloud or the sky, y'all have what? The earth, ground,
Yes.
green.
Yep.
Leave it. Don't tamper
Yeah.
with it too much.
It's the
It's starting to rise up, kind of.
Mm-hmm.
Looks like the
I don't see how it is.
Look,
The white,
it's
you
getting
see how
taller.
white and foamy it is in there?
It's getting taller.
No. My eyes must be not working right
Yeah.
now.
So it's supposed
step
to so
6,
hot and
after
cold.
observing
Wait,
the cloud-
let me tell you how it's making the cloud. So it's hot inside, but the cold of the ice is kind of making it cool down. And as it cools down, then it's making steam as it cools down, and it's forming together as steam.
Very good. Making a cloud. Very good.
Step 6. After observing the cloud from the jar, remove the lid and watch it as it moves.
Wait, let it build up some
And
more.
watch as it move. Watch as it move out
Wow.
of the jar and into the air. Do you know why the cloud forms? Find out the answer. How does this experiment?
I literally
Section
just
below.
told y'all how
Yeah.
it forms.
Clouds form when water from Earth's surface is heated and evaporates. Physical change from liquid to gas rises into the atmosphere, then cools and condenses. Physical change from gas to liquid. On a microscope, particles. What does that say? Oh. I.e. dust, dirt, ash, and in the air.
Okay. Do you think we
Alright.
should remove the lid?
Yes, because it seems like it's evaporating. The steam is
Oh my
already.
God, the steam is sealing it.
Oh yeah, that's right. Let's try
Take
to.
the ice off.
Oh, that's right. Smart girl, Karima.
Just pour the excess water so it doesn't make a mess.
I think you're gonna get rid of your steam like that.
Ooh. Oh. Okay, then I'll put one beside.
There we go.
The Chromebook said it will break.
Ah. Yep.
So maybe we have to let it sit with some more ice for a little bit
No,
longer.
just take it out and see what happens.
I was watching out.
So we're letting it form some more, and the second time around we're doing it, it looks actually better than the first time because I can see white stuff inside of the jar, like it's ready to come up right there. So yeah, I think I see it.
It is coming up.
Yep, it's forming a cloud. I can see it's turning more light green than dark green. So that's how the coloring helps, because it shows you how it's changing into more of a cloud type of thing. So we're letting our ice sit on top. Did you just see how steam or cloudy it got?
Mm-hmm.
I think there's a step 7. You see? Oh, there's only 6 steps. My 8.
Okay, this is really easy. This is a really easy experiment.
So what did you use in the experiment? What?
So we used hairspray, we used food coloring, ice, and boiling hot water, and food coloring if you want to it to separate the coloring.
Yeah,
So it would be easier to see how it's forming a cloud.
but it,
Okay.
Food coloring helps.
it took
All right.
it took us like a kind of long time.
Not really.
Yeah, the
So
water took
now
kind of a long time.
Now you're gonna let the cloud release.
it's hard.
Yeah.
Take the
see
ice
what-
off.
Shea butter.
Oh.
It's forming. I knew it was ready to come out.
Good job. Good
It's
job.
like fire.
No.
Yeah, but imagine if the food color, you would be able to see it, and then the smoke came up green. Imagine if that happened.
Went dead.
All right. That concludes our experiment of making a cloud. So what do you all say?
Bye, science fan. And thank you for watching. Thank you
Thank
for
you.
watching.
Yes. Y'all did an excellent job. I like that. You can still see it steaming up.
Yep.
It's
It's going to be doing for this for a while.
This is like lava lamps.
Yeah.
Yeah, remember that? We did.